Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Cancer Placement. So, this is your June love reading. Okay? So, yeah. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, so let's start your reading, Cancer. Okay, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay. Cancer, who's the person on your mind? Okay. The person on Cancerian's mind. Anong meron? The King of Swords in reverse. Pwedeng Aquarius. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. King of Swords in reverse. What's with that? The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Ito yung taong takot kang parang aksyonan. Okay? Takot kang labanan. Vice versa. Okay. What's with the Wheel of Fortune? Some of you, this is a past person. Yeah, the Sun. Takot kang labanan to. I don't know why. Justice in reverse. Etong taong to, alam mo na parang minamanipula ka na. Pero nasasayahan ka pa rin. Nasisiyahan ka pa rin. I don't know. Okay, it's like some of you, this past person, no, na pwedeng utak lang lagi ang gamit niya eh. Yes, alam nito kung paano pa iikutin ang sitwasyon. Some of you, may anak kayo nito. Magaling mag-blackmail. Magaling manakot. Kaya hindi maalisan, kaya hindi ka makagawa ng action like that. Ano bang situation nyo? Four of Swords in reversed. What's that? The Three of Pentacles in reversed. There's conversation. Pero wala akong nakukuha ditong parang energy ng pagtanggap. Wala akong nakukuha ang energy rito ng nagkakaintindihan kayo. Okay? Grabe naman. Bukas lang kayo, no? Pagdating sa conversation, sa communication ng taong to, pero wala nang pagkakaintindihan dito. Yes. Okay. So, let's see ano bang kanyang emosyon ngayon sa'yo. The Five of Swords in reversed. The Four of Pentacles in reversed. So, sabihin nating wala naman siyang pakialam, no? Kung hindi kayo magkaroon ng pagkakaayos, kung hindi kayo magkaroon ng pagkakaintindihan. Wala, hindi naman to nag-i-stress pagdating sa'yo. Hindi siya nag-i-stress. Ha? Okay? Ang dami pang pangako nitong taong to, hindi naman niya tinutupad. Cancer, ang dami niyang pangako, hindi naman niya tinutupad. So, anong next action nito sa'yo? The Queen of Cups in reverse. To be selfish. Oo. Yeah, see? Why the Queen of Cups in reversed? The Page of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, ginagamit ka nitong taong to, Cancer, ha? Okay, diretsuhan tayo. Ginagamit ka nito, lalo na kung alam mong may pera ka. Yes. Kapag na-provide mo na yung pangangailangan nitong taong to in general, okay na yun. Okay na siya doon. Itong taong to mag-i-stay sa ito hanggat alam niyang nakokontrol ka niya. Hanggat natatakot ka niya. Yeah. Ano bang emotion mo para sa kanya, Cancer? Anong emotion mo dito? Yeah, you want to release. Gusto mo na makarelease? Yeah, the Eight of Swords in reverse. Oh. So, bakit di mo ginagawa? The Ace of Pentacles. So, maybe you're waiting or hoping for another chance, a new beginning maybe. Okay, some of you, you love this person. Okay, we have here a pair, pero hindi kayo pareho. This person, itong si Queen of Cups na naka-reverse, this is someone who is selfish. Self-centered. Pero itong si King of Cups, na naka-upright, lahat pwede niyang gawin. Napakabait niyan. Okay? So, nagagamit kayo. Sabi ko nga, kanina, natatakot kayo dito sa taong to. I don't know why. So, pwedeng, hindi sa tinatakot yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng namamanipula kayo sa lahat ng pangako nitong taong to. Kaya, parang umaasa yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Let's see. Ano ba ang outcome nyo ng taong to, Cancer? Anong outcome nyo? The Chariot in reverse. So, this is you. So, hindi ka makakaalis. Oo, hindi ka makakaalis. Hindi ka makakausad kapag hinayaan mo yung sarili mo na huwag. Okay? The Chariot in reverse. So, that's delay. Yeah, and the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, you have here codependency with this person, no? Sa pera. Some of you, sa pera. Some of you, sabihin natin sa anak. Kaya hindi makakaalis. Okay? So, about commitments, tagilid tayo. Wala pong progress pagdating sa hinihintay niyong commitments, no? Or sa yung iba sa inyo, tago to. Tago ito na connection. Hindi niya ito para ilabas. Hindi niya ito para, hindi nga niya kayang ipagmalaki ka eh. 'Di ba? Some of you. Pero nagbibigay ito ng mga kaunting hints, no? Na pwede, oo, may chance. Pero hanggang dun lang. Okay? Yeah, this is a burden. Pasakit na to, pabigat na to. Outcome, the Chariot and the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. No improvement. No progress. Kapag po ganito. Huwag kayong umasa na ibibigay ng taong ito. Kayo na magbigay sa sarili nyo kung anong gusto nyo. Okay? New beginning. O, ikaw na magbigay. Hindi niya kaya i-provide. No, hindi niya kayang i-provide. I'm sorry. Okay, so, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay, Cancer. Aries. So, they're avoiding you. Taurus. Walang offer ng cup of love. Gemini. They're taking action. Yeah. Cancer. Focus. Some of them, they're busy at work. Okay. Leo. Gusto nila ng makaramdam ng kakontentuhan. Okay? Pero hindi nila kaya. Virgo, they want commitments. Libra, so they're not in a rush. Oo. Scorpio, so ganun rin si Scorpio, hindi sila nagmamadali. Sagittarius, a lot of drama, problems, conflicts, yan. Capricorn, okay, so they want lang ng attention. Okay. Aquarius, they miss you. They care about you. Okay. Pisces, so some of them, they're moving on. They're healing. Or maybe, pwedeng may something na energy na gusto lang ng may fix kung anong dapat i-fix. They want to say sorry for some of them, from some of them. Okay, so ganun. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for Cancer placements. Again, don't forget, please, to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.